Okay, it is 11:06 at night, and when did birds start chirping at night? I want you to listen to this carefully, because this is going on every night. It didn't happen before, but these birds sound like a car alarm. Walk out here. Listen, it's like middle of the day. I was going to stop chirping when I record. Wait, there we go. You hear that? This is the middle of the night, 11:06, 11:07. This is happening in your area. Used to, the only thing I hear is a whippoorwill. They go. This bird's like a car alarm. I hear a plane. Okay, bird, speak. Alright, here he goes. Come on, do all this crazy stuff you was doing. That was me. Stupid bird every night is like chirping middle of the night. Hear it? There we go. It sounds like a car alarm. He'll go nuts in a minute. Listen, just hang with me. He's trying different frequencies or something. Listen. Alright, the only thing I know, folks, is this is something recent. Birds don't chirp at night. The sky is going nuts. It sounds just like a car alarm all night long. I don't know if you guys notice stuff like this, but listen. There he goes. It's he does. It's like warning signs, or what the freak is he doing? Is he like a minor bird? He came from the city or something? I don't know. I gotta go. Video camera's going out and it's getting late. But anyways, I'm putting this up.